Yes. Okay, yes. Started with the next lesson, lesson number 4. Right? We started with the lesson number 4, delicious food. Right? Okay, so what do you mean by delicious food? Anything which is tasty to eat. If the taste is not good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Likit. Okay, so delicious food means anything that is tasty and yummy and which you feel like eating. It will make you feel like eating more and more. That is called as delicious food. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nikhil.
Which book, ma'am?
Please don't take out any book. You still haven't got your textbooks from school, okay? So I'm just explaining to you. You just listen. Okay? So yesterday, like I told you, we started with delicious food and we saw the pictures in the first 2 pages. Okay? Now today we're going to move on to the third page of the lesson.
This there?
Yes, Dikshita?
Is not any book, this CVS book only, ma'am.
No, don't take out any. Do not have your EVS textbook or the activity book with you all. Okay, so please do not take out any book. Just pay attention in the class. That will. Okay, good. Okay, now next page we have. If you see here, these are the food items which can be prepared using these items that is given in the inner circle. Okay, so from here, what are the food items that you can prepare using this? For example, using rice, what all can you all make? I'm sorry, no, what can you
Biryani.
Yes, very good. You can make biryani, vegetable rice, you can make white rice. You can also make idli using rice.
White rice, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, and then using milk, what can you prepare? Using milk?
Coffee.
You can prepare coffee, but in this picture you have, okay, you have curds given here, so you can prepare curds using milk. Okay, and then you also have wheat given. Okay, this is wheat. What can you prepare using wheat? You can make chapati, right? You can make chapati.
Chapati puri.
Yes. Okay, and then you have dal. Using dal, you can prepare sambar, right? Okay, so these are the few food items that you can prepare using these raw items. These are all called as raw items.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, Dikshita? Okay, fine. Okay, so now moving on to the next one. In this page, you have to tell me which are the food items or which are the vegetables or fruits that you can eat raw without cooking, and which food item that you need to cook in order to eat. Okay?
Banana. Apple.
Okay, now I will tell you all. Okay, first you need to have cucumber here. Can you eat cucumber raw or should you cook the cucumber?
Cook the cucumber.
You all don't eat cucumber raw, you all cook the cucumber. Cucumber,
No, ma'am.
you can eat.
No, ma'am.
Yes, so
Eat,
raw. Next you have radish. Radish you need to cook.
Dharma, I cut it.
Or can you eat it?
Ladies, I also cook.
Very good. You will cut the radish. Yes. Very good. Next one, you have banana here. Banana. Can you all eat it raw? The banana. Raw.
Right.
Next you have. Okay, now rice you have to cook or can you eat it raw? Rice you have to cook. Okay, you cannot eat rice raw. Next you have brinjal. This is the vegetable brinjal. Brinjal, can you eat it raw or should you cook the brinjal?
Cook brinjal, ma'am.
Yes, you have to cook brinjal. Otherwise, you will not be able to eat it. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, now next one. Cook the fish. Very good. Okay, now next picture is of corn. Can you all eat the corn raw or should you cook the corn?
Cook, ma'am.
Yes, you need to boil. That is, you need to cook the corn before you eat. Very good. Now next one. Yes, you have to cook. Next one is a picture of a ripe mango, right? Mango. Okay, this mango, do you all have to cook it or eat it raw?
Eat it,
Yes, you can eat it raw. Very good. Next one.
Eat it, ma'am.
Which picture is this? Name this fruit.
Eat it.
Good. Yes. Yes. Apple, can you all eat it? Should you cook?
We can eat it like
ma'am. Yes.
Eat
Yes. Yes. Eat apple raw. Okay. Now here you did learn about few fruits and vegetables. Few vegetables which had to be cooked were radish, rice, brinjal, fish, and corn. Okay, these vegetables you had to cook. The vegetables you can eat it raw. Fruits and vegetables that can be eaten raw are you have cucumber, banana, and then you have mango and apple. Okay, these fruits and vegetables can be eaten cooking as well. Okay, now next one. Next one, here you need to put a tick mark for your favorite dish and tell why you like the dish, why the dish is your favorite, okay? First is a picture of jalebis, second is laddu, third is dosa, and fourth is bread, okay? All of you like sweets?
Yes, ma'am.
You like
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yes. Then next one, you have the fruits given here. Okay, this page worked out when you have your textbook. Okay, but since you do not have your textbook, I'm just showing you the pictures. You can just have a look at it. Okay. Now the pictures, you have the fruits given. Which are the fruits? You have banana, you have grape, mango, and pomegranate. Okay. So here, after you get your textbook from school, then you can work out and put a mark on whichever food is your favorite. Okay. Now, next one is a set of vegetables which is given. Okay. You have brinjal, you have carrot, and then you have lady's finger and tomato. Okay, I'm sure tomato and carrot is something most of us will like, right? Yes. Okay, now here in this picture also, after you get your textbook, since you do not have your textbook now, you can just have a look at the pictures, but after you get your textbook, you can put a tick mark on the picture, whichever fruit or vegetable you like. Okay. Now in this lesson, do you have any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, there are few products which you get from plants. Okay. From plants, which are the product or the food items that you get from plants? Those are basically your vegetables and fruits. These are the ones which you get from plants, right? And then there are food products or food items which you get from animals. Okay. So which are the food items that you get from animals? You get
meat.
Very good. Milk. Yes. Milk, butter, all these and all. Yes. Fish, all these and all are animal products. Okay, butter is something which is made out of milk, and milk you get it from either cow or goat or buffalo. Okay, so these you need to know which are the items that you get from plants and which are the food items that you get from animals as well. Okay, and just going back to yesterday's class, we all learned about vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food, right? Now, who are yes? Okay, so based on that, people are also classified into two groups. One is vegetarians and the other one is non-vegetarians, correct? Okay, now who are called, yes, now who are called as vegetarians? People who eat, okay, people who eat vegetables or fruits and they do not eat meat, okay, they do not eat meat. Those people are called as vegetarians, okay, but non-vegetarian people, along with the vegetables and fruits, they also consume meat, okay, those people are called as non-vegetarian people. Okay, did you understand today's lesson, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Ma'am.
okay. Now I
Yes,
want,
ma'am.
very good. Okay, now just listen. I want you all to take your EVS class work. Okay, take your EVS class work. Okay, take the next new page. Previous lesson that you had written was water, right? You have drawn the well and the rain, the clouds. After that, take the next new page. Do not continue in the same page, okay? Take a new page. Write down today's date, 14-8-21. 14-8-21. Okay? And then in the first line, write capital L. Write capital L. The small dash, write 4. Number 4. Oh, all of you your books. Okay, I'm muting everyone. Kindly do not unmute. Okay. Take your EVS book, take a new page, write down today's date, 14-8-21. Okay. And then in the first line, write down capital L dash 4. Okay. Capital L dash 4. Lesson number 4. And then put 2 dots like this. Okay. And then write down capital D, E, L, I, capital D, E, L, I, C, I, O, U, S, delicious, D, E, L, I, C, I, O, U, S, delicious. Leave a finger space, write down capital S, O, O, T, food. Capital F, O, O, D, food. Okay, capital L dash 4. Lesson number 4, delicious food. Okay, now I want you to leave 2
Delicious spelling, ma'am.
capital D. Okay, capital D, E, L, I, C, I, O, U, S. Okay, delicious. Okay, now after you write the heading, I want you to leave 2 lines. Okay, leave 2 lines and in the margin, write down Roman number 1. Okay, in the margin, write down Roman number 1. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha.
What is delicious spelling, ma'am?
I'll tell you again. Write it down quickly. Capital D.
Capital D.
E.
E.
L. I.
I.
C.
C.
I.
I.
O.
O.
U. S.
U. S.
Okay, delicious food. Leave a finger space and then write down F-O-O-D. Food. Okay. Now leave 2 lines. Write Roman number 1 in the margin, and then this side of the margin write down capital F. Capital F. I-L-L. Fill.
W. I. L.
It is not
L.
W.
Will.
It is F-I-L-L, not W. Okay, fill. Capital F-I-L-L. Fill. Leave a finger. Write down I-N. N.
Second one.
What mark? Okay. First one. You have to write capital F-I-L-L. Fill. Okay, write down capital F-I-L-L. Fill. Leave a finger space. Write down I-N-N. Then again, leave a finger space. Write down T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Leave a finger space. Write down B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. Okay, first main, fill in the blanks. If you do not have place, please leave a line and write. Do not write. Write below the, do not write in the next line. Okay. All of you have taken down the heading, fill in the blanks. Yes.
Yes,
okay. Very good. Now leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Okay, now this side write capital G. Capital G. R-A-P-E-S. Grapes.
Ma'am, blank spelling, ma'am.
B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. Okay. Next, leave a line, write down 1 in the margin and take down capital G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Leave a finger space. Write down I-S is. I-S is. Leave a finger space. Write down a. Grapes is a fruit or a vegetable? It is a
Fruit.
Fruit, ma'am. Food, ma'am.
Leave a finger space. Write down F-R-U-I-T. Fruit, and underline the word fruit.
Ma'am, after this, what will come, ma'am?
After which?
What will come, ma'am?
Where?
Ma'am, what is fruit spelling, ma'am?
F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Okay. So now after which one you wanted, ma? First main heading is fill in the blanks. Okay, that's the first heading. And then after one, you have to write grapes. Capital G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Leave a finger space. Write down I-S is. Then again, leave a finger space. A. Then again, leave a finger space, write down F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay, then you have to underline the word fruit and put a full stop. Okay. Now next, leave a line, write down 2 in the margin. Okay, leave a line in the margin. Okay. Now write down capital E-G-G-S, eggs. Underline the word eggs. Okay, write down capital E-G-G-S, eggs. And then you have to underline the word eggs, okay? And then leave a finger space, write down A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R. Leave a finger space, write down A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Leave a finger space, write down.
Ma'am, what is the animal name spelling?
A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Leave a finger space, write down P.
What is the fruit spelling, ma'am?
F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay. Second one, animals are animal product. Okay. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay. Eggs are animal product. Now next one, leave a line, write 3 in the margin. Leave a line, write 3 in the margin. Okay. Now write capital B, capital D, R-I-N, capital B, R-I-N, J-A-L, brinjal, capital B, R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Leave a finger space, write down I-S is, I-S is, I-S is. Leave a finger space, write down a. Brinjal is a vegetable. Write down V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. And then you have to underline the word vegetable. Okay? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good, son. Okay, we'll just give time for the others also to write. Okay. Hope all of you have written till the third one. Anyone who's still writing the first one? I'm going to erase till the first one. Okay. Now leave a line, write 4 in the margin. Okay, leave a line. Write 4 in the margin. Write down capital B, capital B, R-E-A-D, bread. Capital B, R-E-A-D, bread.
Ma'am, what is the red spelling?
B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay, now leave a finger space. Write down. I-S is. I-S is.
What is first one, ma'am?
Which first? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
This is bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay. Bread is. Leave a finger space. Write down M-A-D-E, made. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-D-E, made. Leave a finger space. Write down F-R-O-M, from. F-R-O-M, from. Leave a finger space. Write down W-H-E-A-T, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. And then you have to underline wheat. Okay, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. And then put a full stop and underline wheat. Okay, very good. Now next, leave a line, write 5 in the margin. Leave a line, write 5 in the margin. Okay, now write down capital F-I-S-H, fish. Capital F-I-S-H, fish. And then underline fish. Okay, underline fish. Leave a finger space. Write down I-S is. I-S is. I-S is. Leave a finger space. Write down a. Leave a finger space. Write down a. Then again, leave a finger space. Write down N-O-N, non. N-O-N, non. And then put a small dash. Okay, put a small dash. And then continue writing vegetarian, right? V-E-G-E. V-E-G-E. T-A. T-A. R-I-A-N. R-I-A-N, vegetarian. V-E-G-E.
What is the vegetable name, ma'am?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian, ma'am.
You want this or this? Third one you're asking or for the fifth one?
Vegetable, ma'am.
This one?
Non-vegetable.
V-E-G-E. V-E-G-E. T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. V-E-G-E. T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Okay. And the ones who are writing the fifth one, it is V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N, vegetarian. Leave a finger space, write down I-T-E-M, item. I-T-E-M, item. And then put a full stop. Okay, fish is a non-vegetarian item. Okay, now the ones who are writing, write quickly. Okay, now The ones who are writing, continue writing. I'm going to take attendance now.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, if you finished, very good. Let us give time for the others to write.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, the ones who finished, please. Yes, the ones who finished, kindly maintain silence so that the others can write. Okay, do you have any doubt in this, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
No, ma'am.